big storm. The street lamp fell down and... Oh no! Trash is everywhere. After the rain, the air feels so fresh.
Police car.
Wow, it's amazing.
The police car is very happy. But oh no, the streets are still messy, with garbage all around.
Okay.
The police car calls the construction rescue team.
Dump truck.
Huh?
It's amazing.
Good morning, dump truck.
Okay, it's my time. Hey, you. Hi, guys.
The dump truck invites all its friends to help clean the street.
Okay. Hello. Okay. Hey, you. Look at this. It's my time. Okay.
Clamshell excavator.
The grab excavator picks up big pieces of trash and puts them in the garbage truck.
I like it. Who is next? Okay. That's nice. It's my
Garbage
time.
truck.
The garbage truck uses its vacuum to clean up the small bits.
That's nice. Wow! I got it. Yeah. Good job.
The grab excavator and dump truck carry away the broken street lamp and fire hydrant.
Okay. Let's go. I like it.
Then, the dump truck brings new street lamp to install. Now the street is clean again.
It's amazing.
The construction trucks even set up an inflatable pool.
Water tank truck.
That's nice. It's amazing.
Working together is the best.
Goodbye.
Hey guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye. See you next time.